So if you're designing your kitchen at Kitchen Shack, one of the decisions you might be making, like myself, is what stone benchtop to go with. And I have opted today to come into AC Stone Group and have a look at their collection in large scale. Hi, I'm Emily.
I'm Sugar, nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
This one has a lot of character to it as well.
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Get a quote for white canvas and snow concrete.
Okay.
See whichever's in your budget.
Excellent, that's really cool. So why is it called Arts Cut Zero?
So we've changed the name to Arts Cut Zero now because it's got zero silica, so 100% silica free. As you can see, we've got all the stickers on each of our stones, which means all the stones in AC Stone is zero silica now. So environmentally friendly, sustainable, and made from recycled materials.
Amazing. The team at AC Stone Group today have been fantastic and so helpful, and my design with Kitchen Shack is looking amazing. Now I've seen the large scale bench tops, I know that I'm very happy with my Kitchen Shack design.